the explanation video for the Technology Studio. So the Technology Studio is located here. We have 6 computers available for our use. It's important to realize that you will lose access to the Technology Studio if you are caught using scissors or X-Acto blades or box cutters anywhere in this area, because it's very easy to cut through a cord. And then this is also where the wheelie chairs are located. It's important to note that a wheelie chair needs to be within touching distance of the keyboard. If you are further away than that, unfortunately, you could lose your ability to use a wheelie chair. Then I've already signed in on a computer. Sorry there, let's go ahead and show you how this works. So on this computer station, you will notice that normally the mouse or the keypad is tilted up and the mouse and such is pointed back. Once you're ready to use, you can pull out the keyboard to a comfortable position or the Bamboo tablet to a comfortable position. These pens are extremely expensive. They're like $75 a piece to replace, so always make sure that it is put back. And this essentially is a big mouse pad, and this is your writing implement. So if you can see my cursor on the screen, do you see when I am hovering, so I'm not touching, I'm not sure you can see that. So I'm not touching, I'm hovering, you can see my mouse moves. If I push down and pull, then I am drawing on the space. I like to work with it like this. I tend to hold it up with one hand, and then I can do detail and draw this way. And then there's little buttons on it that allow you to click and select. So you're welcome to use that or not use that. The access to all of the materials that we use, so SketchUp is located here, so you just double click on it to open it up. These programs are large. They can take upwards of 2 minutes to load, so just be patient with that. And then this is now where you would be ready to transition into the other videos that are available on like how to use SketchUp. This is the one studio where experimentation is not a huge part of what you do. It's a lot of mechanical learning because it is a computer program. Then, and how to get to Photoshop, you go ahead and go to the Start menu and you type in Adobe, A-D-O-B, and you will notice that we have Adobe Photoshop CS4. We also have Illustrator CS4. If you look closely, you'll realize that we have Adobe Cloud. Unfortunately, these computers are not good enough to be able to make Adobe Cloud run effectively. So always make sure that you're selecting Adobe Photoshop CS4 or Illustrator CS4. And then again, once you access those 2 programs, that is when you would transition into the instructional videos that are available for you in this playlist. When you are done, make sure you always put everything back where it goes, that you log off your computer. But one little trick would be, how do I print? So very important, when you are wanting to print, you need to come ask my permission, and based on what you are needing to print, I will tell you which printer to go to. You can't print off your Chromebook. So if you're ever wanting to print in this class, you need to make sure that you are using one of these computers.